Hi everybody, said I'd be back. So here is the completed Taylors Mirfield.The Hera pen, and the blank is a piece of olive wood from Neil at Olive Wood Turning, and it's a lovely pen. Yeah, like I said, very similar in assembly to a Zeta, but I really do love the ridges on the bright work. Love it. Very good pen, and I'm sure it will write beautifully for Nicola, because first of everything goes to Nicola, and she'll love a new pen as always. So yeah, what I did as well was assembled it on my new super deluxe pen assembly slash disassembly press. That was my Christmas present off Nicola, and this comes with everything you'll need to not only put a pen together, but if you do need to push everything apart and work on something again because there's been a mistake or something's broken, you can do so. Loved it, really nice, and I really like the fact that this is spring loaded, so I can push it in, and I was getting a better feel for how far away I needed the plunger from this push plate that's connected to the arm. So yeah, it felt really nice to use. So thanks for that everybody. Lovely pen. So yeah, you won't go far wrong with a Taylors Mirfield pen. If you haven't used them before, give Dan and the crew a shout, and they'll be able to sort you out. Go to the website at the very least and check out what they've got. So that's it from me. Thank you very much. I shall catch you very soon. Bye.